Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 better ways to say excuse me. Number 1. Pardon me. It means a polite way to get someone's attention or apologize for a small interruption. Example, pardon me, is this seat taken? Number 2. Sorry to interrupt. It means a polite phrase used when you stop someone while they are speaking. Example, sorry to interrupt, but I have a quick question. Number 3. May I get by? It means a polite way to ask someone to move so you can pass. Example, may I get by? I need to reach the door. Number 4. May I ask a question? It means a polite way to begin asking something. Example, may I ask a question? I'm not sure I understood the lesson. Number 5. A moment, please. It means a polite request for someone to wait briefly. Example, a moment please while I find your file. Number 6. Beg your pardon. It means a formal and polite way to ask someone to repeat something or to show mild apology. Example, beg your pardon, could you say that again? Number 7. Could I have a moment? It means a polite way to ask for a little time or attention. Example, could I have a moment? I need to speak with you privately. Number 8. Sorry, 1 second. It means a casual way to ask someone to wait briefly. Example, sorry, 1 second, I'm checking my phone. Number 9. Allow me. It means a polite or formal way to offer help or take action. Example, allow me to open the door for you. Number 10. Excuse my interruption. It means a polite phrase used when you stop someone in the middle of speaking. Example, excuse my interruption, but this is important. Awesome job! Now you can say excuse me in many polite ways. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time!